What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Yoitzjojo and I'm coming back at y'all with another video. Today we're going to be reacting to the scariest storms ever caught on camera. It catches my interest because like bro, imagine like in the area I live, we really don't get too much crazy weather. We might get like the outskirts of hurricanes or something like that, but other than that, we really don't get too many crazy natural disasters. And I live in South Carolina, so I just imagine people like Japan, they gotta deal with tsunamis, or if you live in Tornado Alley, or you live in the coast like Florida to New York, you right there on the edge of that coast and you gotta feel those hurricanes, the Gulf. Yeah, so I'm gonna react to them. So let's get into the video. I'm not gonna hold y'all up much longer.
And welcome to the Unbelievable. Thank goodness no one was standing close to this window.
Oh, bro, imagine if someone was
standing close to this window. A hailstorm wreaks havoc on a house in Iowa.
Ooh.
Oh, we got broken glass.
Sorry to interrupt, but I haven't experienced a hailstorm, and not nothing too crazy, but I've been hit by hail before. It hurts. Hail is not nothing to play with. It really hurts.
Oh my God, it is coming in huge. Hide, Mom, hide. Watch out, watch your feet.
That thing took the tree out the earth. What the fuck? Wow.
A massive wave shatters the windows of a ferry during a storm in Germany. No one was injured in the incident, however everyone got very wet.
Bro, imagine! Hold on.
Got very wet.
Imagine. I'm suing. Ain't no, bruh. Imagine how strong the wave gotta be.
Yeah.
Baby, get away from that glass. Look at this dude. Imagine he would have been sent off like a rag now.
Here is dramatic footage of a cyclone that hit southern India in 2016.
Now look at this. This is terrific.
I don't know why I'm expecting somebody to just get smacked by a chair or a ladder. I got some bad intrusive thoughts.
This might be one of the most intense tornado moments ever caught on video.
That's a big tornado. Watch, something about to come flying. Something's about to come flying. Watch. Ooh, was that lightning? I expected something to come flying. Oh, it's not.
Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh.
A driver in New Mexico gets caught off guard by a very intense hailstorm.
Ooh, his window cracked. What the? Man, window cracked. What the? Oh, I hope you're not copyrighted. Why are they
Here is
playing
what
like Final?
140-kilometer winds look like, recorded in Brisbane, Australia.
I hate to pause real quick. I'm sorry to pause, but bruh, why would they playing the final boss music on that last clip? Oh, that was very calm. I like this song. Oh snap! Oh whoa! Wow! Wow!
A man records his windows being smashed by hail in South Africa.
All the windows inside the house are broken.
What is this?
That thing's the size of golf balls. What
All the
the?
windows, keep away from the windows, eh?
Bruh, imagine somebody got beat in the head with one of them. We may end up with a tornado here in a minute. Bruh, this place shit shit like goosebumps up my neck. What?
A man records from his truck as a tornado passes right by him.
I'm gonna pause right here, bro. I gotta remind y'all, bro. It was one time me and my cousin. We had walked to Walmart because this house was kind of like near Walmart, right? A little story time, real quick. I apologize. But we went to Walmart, right? And my dude, we got a severe thunderstorm alert on our phones. So we walk. We was on the way back when we got it. So on the way back, we wondering like, okay, we gonna make it back in time. We're gonna make it back. My ninjas, my gangers, tell me why we see a funnel forming in the sky. I'm not joking. We seen a funnel forming in the sky, like kind of like I ain't gonna say right over us, but it was near us. But like if it turned into a tornado, we was fucked. We was look, cuz we were fucked. Like, bruh, that's probably my most scariest natural disaster close encounter. Cause we literally seen it. Like, bro, we ran like runaway slaves on the what they call that road? The Underground Railroad. That's what we ran like. It's not Black History, but no more. So I can make that joke. So let's continue the video.
Holy cow.
got hail.
Wow.
Tyhle, z toho se to urvalo střechu! Ty vole!
Imagine somebody's like underwater. I say underground. Imagine somebody's underwater and they're just getting pulsed by them like, like, why are my thoughts so dark right now? I think I need help.
Dashcam records a storm coming out of nowhere and surprising people
Ooh.
at a market in northern Sydney.
No. Alright. That look like that's the video. I don't think I gotta say that is.
Damn, nature, you scary.
But anyway, thank y'all for tuning in. Thank y'all for the love and support on the channel, man. Finally got my setup coming together. So yeah, man, we definitely be doing more of these. And also, your boy got a capture card on the way. So y'all know the gaming content is on the way. We got some more gym content on the way. Bro, we got, right, like, I'm finna deliver like LeBron did in Cleveland.
This is for you.
So if y'all want me to do that, the only thing I gotta do is like, comment, share, subscribe, tap that post bell button for all post notifications. Till then, man, we out. Hey.